Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crafts and Creativity, and today I think this gave you a clue, we are going to be making a horse stable, and this is actually the only horse that I found in my drawer, but I was going to use a zebra as a model because I didn't think I had any horses, but I found one and I'm very glad that I have a horse because we are making a horse stable. I don't know if I already said that, but I'm saying it again if I did. So we are making a horse stable with popsicle sticks and hot glue and maybe some Mod Podge for like some effect and maybe some paint. I don't know if I'm going to use paint because I'm not in a very painty mood, but that's what we're going to do. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I just heated up my hot glue gun. See that little green light means it's hot. And we're going to start gluing. So the first glue thing that like we're going to be gluing. Okay, so I just figured out how I was going to glue these. So, oh, whoops, I dropped one. Whatever. I have 2,000 in here. Okay, so I'm going to glue them side by side like this. This might be a little bit difficult. But if I find an easier way to do this. But for now, I'm just gonna glue them side by side, just like this. And I'm just gonna glue a few and then show you and go on from there. And by the way, I know in my past video I said that I was gonna do brownies for this video, and I didn't have the ingredients. You know, now you can't just like rush out to the store. So I will definitely be doing brownies very soon. But this is not brownies. But I will be doing brownies soon. That's just that. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna glue that now. Alright, so I just glued like this part, as you can see, together. I just gluing it all together to the side, just like this. And I think that'll look nice, and that's gonna be good. So I'm just gonna continue doing that until I think it's a good length. So this is actually gonna be, I figured this should be the bottom. Actually, you know what? This is gonna be the side. I'm making this the side, so this might be a good height. I'm just gonna do a little bit more on this. So yeah, I'm just gonna do more on that. Okay, so I just did, this is the bottom, and this is the side, and those are two other sides, and that took quite a while. I had to glue all of them together on the side, just like this, as you can see. So it's gonna be like this with that, and then the back one over there, and then this one. And then I might do something in the front here, like a little entrance. But right here, I'm just gonna glue this in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I just glued all of this together, just like this, and I think it looks pretty good. Just like that, and then I'm gonna use some popsicle sticks to maybe make a little gate right there because I feel like it needs an entrance. It needs a little more than this, because who's gonna tell it's a horse stable? So I'm just gonna like use just like that. I'm probably gonna glue it just like that. I'm gonna make a little gate of sorts and then I'll show you. So I have this right here. I just finished the little gate, and I added some green felt in the bottom. I glued it to the bottom so for a little grassy effect, and I think it looks really nice. And now what I'm going to do, I am going to add a little water bowl right there with some, what should I make a water bowl out of? You know, I think I'm going to actually I'm going to try and do some felt. So let's look through my felt here, see what blue I have. Oh, there's this blue. This is a nice blue. I think this is pretty water bluish. So I'm just gonna make a little rectangle out of this and see what happens then. Alright, so I just did a little more. I made the rectangle right there, and I put the blue felt right on top to make it look like water. And then up here, I just did, I leveled out the horse to see where his head would stay, and that was that popsicle stick. And then I just put shredded pieces of felt and glued them to the rectangle. And this, I just put some felt for a little blanket for the horse. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. It helps me so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And be sure to share this video, like it, subscribe for more crafts, and have a good time. Thank you so much, and be sure to check out Schleich Quartz June. Very similar crafts to this if you liked this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.